Hey, what's up? So I will show you now a package called browsersync. It's really famous. So browsersync. Not sure if I typed that correctly. Yeah, it's correct. So this package, you can actually install it globally, but I will install it locally in our project. So this will just serve our static files. By static files, I mean JavaScript, CSS, HTML images. This will serve them locally. Will give us very good and powerful development server, and we can actually reload it when files changes. So I'll show you all of that. So let's install this, but remember to remove the -g because this stands for global. I want to install it only locally. So let me just put that here, remove the -g, and I will put -d. So this is a development dependency for the developer, not the end user, right? That's why it's a development dependency. Okay. So we can wait that. Hopefully it won't take that long. I will just start writing some code until this finishes. Okay. So I will import from browsersync like this sync. Then there is a function called create. So I will create this an instance from the browsersync. Would be like this. I will name it like this, browsersync. Now I will create a separate process or separate task. Sorry, gulp task called dev. So I'll just create it, and I will call browsersync inside of it and call the init function. So it got installed, and this init function takes an object, which is a configuration object. We will tell it to what is the server or what to serve. So inside the server property, we have a base directory. This I will use the join function we already have. Then I will put the path. So this will serve everything inside the source. Okay, that's my idea. And by default, when you put that, this will save the default file, which is index.html. So this will always look for index.html to serve it. Okay, so this will save the source folder. And you will notice that I'm not passing a callback here to call it. So this task, based on the definitions that I told you, a gulp won't know that this task have been finished. So that's my goal. I don't want to finish this task. Oops. Yeah, I don't need to finish this task. Yeah, because I will always save this content until the user hits Ctrl+C. So usually our npm run dev used to run some stuff and end, right? It's just end. I don't want it to end. That's why I will not end this task. So this is the last task I will call. It will be after these 4. So let's now run it. npm run dev. As you can see, it did not finish. Gulp is still running, and we have our index.html served. So let's go now and change some stuff. So I'll call this gulp for YouTube. Let me include the CSS we created, the compiled stuff. Let me go to dist. Then I will import the minified, and I will import also the section.min. If you go here, the background should be 0 or should be black, and the color should be white, but it's not applying because we need to refresh. That's something I will do in the next video. I will show you how we can reload the browser whenever we change anything inside our SAS files. But for now, we need always to refresh manually. Even if we change stuff here, so hello gulp, this won't take it. We need to refresh manually. I will show you how we can do that in the next video. It's really easy using file watchers in Node with gulp. So that will be it. This is our development server. To finish that, just press Ctrl and C and refresh. Now it's not working. So this is basically it. There is a lot of stuff to the browser sync. I think you might have the port and a lot of stuff. Yeah, this is the port. By default it's 3000. You can change it. I will put a link in the description for browser sync so you can read about it. So that will be it. In the next video I will show you how we can use file watchers to reload the browser in real time whenever any change happen in our code base. Thank you.